Fishing process. Miniature workers on small boats use nets and hooks to capture a giant fish, while onshore teams guide it using cranes and pulleys. The massive fish glistens under the sunlight as it is lifted from the water. Cleaning and preparation. Workers scale and clean the fish using tiny knives and brushes, standing on scaffolding and ladders. Water sprays from hoses, while lemon slices and spices are scattered around, adding freshness. Seasoning and marination. Buckets of soy sauce, garlic, and spices are used as industrial brushes spread marinade. A conveyor belt evenly sprinkles salt, creating a dramatic dripping effect. Grilling over a fire pit. A massive grill with glowing embers awaits. Workers use forklifts and shovels to spread charcoal, flip the fish with oversized spatulas, and monitor the heat as smoke rises. Final presentation. The grilled fish is placed on a wooden table, surrounded by bowls of sambal, rice, and vegetables. Mini chefs add finishing touches as workers celebrate their culinary masterpiece.